So here's how to quickly turn on the flashlight on your Nokia 105. Now the long process is going to the menu, and from the menu items you should see flashlight here. So just scroll and find that flashlight icon, press on it, and then scroll down and select on. And as you can see, the flashlight is now on. To turn it off, again from the home screen, go to menu and then navigate to the flashlight, select it, and then select off. And that's going to turn off the flashlight. Now a quicker way of doing this is to double press the up arrow. Okay, so this is a button to select, and then it has buttons for directions on all the sides. So the up or the upward facing button, just double press on it once, one double press, so tata, like that. And let's do that again. That turns on the flashlight, and if you double press it again, turns off the flashlight. Okay, like that. Thanks for watching and good luck.